Artificial intelligence is upon us, and many are questioning whether or not these systems have gained consciousness or if they've become sentient. Particularly in the case of Google's AI-driven chatbot Lambda, we anthropomorphize the reenactment of human emotion and social norms through written word and become easily convinced that sentience has been achieved. Certainly, the ability to copy and even suggest modifications to human behavior is a step toward what we might describe as consciousness. But this is where the definition of consciousness becomes critical, and more importantly, the relationship between consciousness and the undefined as we begin to embark on a journey toward collaboration with the subconscious, metaconscious, and perhaps unconscious intelligence. Many have described the images produced by Midjourney, DALL-E, Dream Studio, and other text-to-image generators as dreamlike, surreal, or lucid. I believe this is a testament to the relationship between and collaboration with the unconscious intelligence that is AI. These hyper-focused, data-fed systems are equipped to imagine an infinite array of possibilities within their directive, which is often a very narrow scope of performance. In other words, a self-driving car continuously calculates an infinite amount of trajectories in order to simply avoid a collision, but it cannot hammer a nail in a piece of wood. These task-specific AI systems may each be extremely good at performing their directive, but each tool remains very one-dimensional in its purpose and pursuit. True sentience is multidimensional, with an awareness and an ability to create, pursue, and manipulate based on real-time information, and across a wide variety of instinctual and socially influenced tasks. This is where general artificial intelligence, or AGI, comes into play, where a system can actively select from an array of tasks in real time to participate in a relationship with another sentient being, but also with the subconscious. The definition of sentience is also at play here, but I do not believe it can be achieved by chatbots through sophisticated text replication. It is earned through non-virtual, base reality, life experiences. So for now, I encourage everyone to stay in touch with their subconscious, to continue dreaming where thoughts and ideas generate outside the influence of stale technology. Again, it is our responsibility as designers to continue imagining outside the realm of current technological capabilities. Because the AI systems we develop now are capturing a current way of life that should one day be considered out of date. We must not become complacent and too proud of the way we've trained technology to replicate this society, because to do so is to forfeit control of evolution, to relinquish the responsibility of growth to simply sustaining humanity's peak evolutionary state, and it is to admit that we are not capable of developing new ideas worth exploring. To teach is to foster growth, but to train is simply to replicate mediocrity. Thanks for watching and for listening. Let me know if you have any questions or comments.